The Mercedes-Benz W166. The successor to a legend is awaited with excitement. Designing the third-generation M-Class represents a massive challenge for everyone involved. The first design studies were created 5 years before the market launch. The proportions and lines are checked for consistency and harmony. Despite its actual size, the vehicle still has a very light, very sporty and agile presence, simply as a result of the proportions and the primary lines. All of the lines are graceful. You can say that the vehicle's look itself is already highly aerodynamic. When designing the interior, a comfortable sense of spaciousness was a major factor. Quality, ergonomics, functionality and style are always the top priorities for a Mercedes-Benz interior. After creating the image on a computer, the three-dimensional effect is examined using a clay model. The first one-to-one scale model is also painstakingly crafted by hand. However, it's a long road to series maturity. The test vehicles clock up more than 7 million kilometers worldwide under the most extreme conditions. For example, in northern Sweden, it's minus 20 degrees Celsius. During the cold tests, the engineers precisely calibrate the undercarriage and the control systems. The Pyrenees provide extreme terrain. Here we're testing the off-road characteristics of the M-Class. We're coordinating the interaction between the transmission, ESP, air suspension and the engine for the off-road programs to deliver maximum performance when off-road. The series vehicles are now ready for the world's off-road terrain. Dubai. More than 50 degrees Celsius in the shade and vast quantities of fine sand put the W166's qualities to the test. Extreme tests which form the basis for the premium quality of the new M-Class. A broad range of maneuvers were tested in order to achieve the greatest driving safety. For safety reasons, dangerous tests are now handled by remote-controlled driving robots. Numerous crash tests at a variety of different speeds and impact angles are essential to ensure that the airbag triggers at precisely the right moment. Reducing fuel consumption and thus minimizing CO2 is a central issue throughout the entire development process. Numerous improvements to the engine and powertrain, combined with significantly optimized aerodynamics, make the W166 the most economical SUV in its class. Alongside developing hybrid, electric and fuel cell drive systems, reducing fuel consumption and emissions for our combustion engines is an important goal for our vehicles. We were able to reduce the consumption of the new M250 BlueTech to 6 litres per 100 kilometers, a previously unachieved value for this vehicle. The last tests with uncamouflaged vehicles provided the opportunity for a final evaluation of the aesthetic, ergonomic and technical aspects. A highly successful vehicle concept which lives up to the Mercedes standard. The best or nothing.